Have you ever felt like starting something big, but the mountain seemed too high? I've been there. I once lost all my physical form, no strength, no energy, no will. And when you're in that place, the hardest part isn't the workout, it's getting started. I used to think, if I'm going to change, I need to run 10 kilometers, lift heavy, transform overnight. And like most people, I'd try once, crash hard, and quit for weeks. Sound familiar? We fail not because we're weak, but because we try to leap instead of walk. So, I did something different. I made a promise, not to run far, not to lift heavy, but to move for 10 to 15 minutes every single day. Push-ups, squats, pull-ups, simple things. Nothing heroic, no PRs, just consistency. Each week I added a little more, 5 extra push-ups, a few more squats. And you know what happened? After 3 months, I had dropped 7 kilos. I slept better, ate less junk, my mind got sharper. But most importantly, I started believing in momentum. Not motivation, not willpower, just movement. Every day. That principle, it's not just about fitness. It works in business, in learning, in relationships. You don't need to do everything today. You need to do something every day. Small steps compound, and 90 days later, you'll be shocked at how far you've come. So if you're stuck, overwhelmed, unsure where to start small, 1 step, 10 minutes. It's not flashy, it's not viral, but it works. Start today, stay with it, and 90 days from now, you won't recognize yourself. Follow my channel and drop a comment. Let's grow together.